Hello students. In this lecture we're continuing our discussion about how we can vary the force of contraction of muscles. In the last lecture we discussed that we could vary the frequency of the stimulus, how often we applied the stimulus, and that would vary the force of muscle contraction. The more frequent the stimulus, the greater degree of contraction, the greater force of contraction that we could generate. Now in this lecture we're going to be talking about varying the stimulus strength. So the stronger the stimulus, also the stronger the force of contraction. Now, of course, first of all, for a stimulus to have an effect, it does have to reach threshold. We do have to have a threshold level stimulus that will create the muscle twitch. But then from there, if we increase that stimulus strength above and beyond that threshold, we'll cause the muscle to contract at a stronger and stronger rate. And initially, there are two reasons that this will happen. One is that we'll have something called recruitment. And so as we increase the stimulus strength, we will recruit more motor units. And if you remember motor units are motor neurons and the number of muscle fibers they stimulate. So the more motor units we recruit, the stronger the strength of the muscle contraction. And if we look at that here in this graph we're showing we're slowly increasing the strength of the stimulus all the way to maximal stimulus. Notice as we increase the strength of the stimulus, we increase the number of motor units that are excited up to finally a point where we have stimulated all of the motor units in that muscle. And as we increase the stimulus strength, we increase the number of motor units recruited that are excited, that are contracting. Then we also will see over time this increase in the strength of the muscle contraction. Notice once again, all this is occurring within milliseconds. Then finally, the other thing we can do as we increase the stimulus strength, we tend to stimulate motor units with larger and larger muscle fibers. And so in this case, motor unit 1, when that one's stimulated, we are primarily recruiting small muscle fibers. But as we increase stimulus strength, motor unit 2 is recruited, and that has larger muscle fibers, and so I get a stronger force of contraction. And finally here in motor unit 3, I've recruited very large muscle fibers. I have a motor unit with very large muscle fibers, and now I get an even stronger strength of contraction. So by varying stimulus strength, I recruit more motor units, but I also can recruit motor units that are stimulating larger muscle fibers, and ultimately as I increase stimulus strength, I increase the force of muscle contraction. Thank you.